The tradition of carrying a bridal bouquet has a practical origin that dates back to ancient times. Here's the explanation. In the past, personal hygiene standards were quite different from today's norms. Bathing was not as frequent, and people often had to deal with body odors. This was especially true in eras and regions where water was scarce, or where bathing facilities were limited. To mask these unpleasant smells, brides began carrying bouquets of fragrant flowers and herbs. These bouquets served a dual purpose. First, the strong, pleasant scents of the flowers helped to cover any body odors the bride might have. And second, over time, these bouquets also took on symbolic meanings and became an important part of the wedding ceremony. Different flowers were associated with various virtues and sentiments, such as love, purity, and fertility. Evolution of the tradition. As hygiene practices improved over the centuries, the practical need to cover body odor diminished. However, the tradition of carrying a bridal bouquet remained. It evolved into a purely symbolic and decorative practice, becoming an integral part of wedding customs around the world. Cultural significance. Different cultures attribute various meanings to the flowers in a bridal bouquet. For example, roses often symbolize love, lilies represent purity, and myrtle is associated with good luck and love. The bouquet adds to the overall beauty of the bride's appearance, complementing the wedding attire and enhancing the ceremonial aspect of the occasion. Modern times. Today, brides choose bouquets based on personal preferences, wedding themes, and floral symbolism. While the original practical reason for the bouquet might be forgotten, its presence remains a cherished part of wedding traditions, linking modern ceremonies to historical practices. Summary. The bridal bouquet originated as a practical solution to cover body odor with the fragrant scents of flowers. Over time, it evolved into a symbolic and aesthetic tradition that continues to play a significant role in weddings today.